A peep into the markets beginning 15th November 2021. The United States inflation number came at 6.2% against market expectation of 5.4%. And the scramble began. The benchmark 10-year yield climbed to 1.57%. Gold broke the 1,820 resistance and continuously rose during the week, closed at $1,865 per ounce. The Nasdaq 100 recovered on Friday to close at 16,200. Dollar index gained above 95. The higher crude inventories, US crude inventories at 3.3 million barrels against street expectations of 2.2 million barrels, could have weighed in the minds of traders to hold Brent at $82 steady per barrel. Against this background, the Indian rupee was unchanged over the week and closed at 74.45. So was the nation's dollar reserves at $641 billion. The formation of an inverted hammer in the dollar rupee chart could put a depreciating bias on Indian rupee in the coming week, push it towards 75. The equity market Nifty closed above 18,000 at 18,103. The derivatives index was unchanged at 15.22 VIX. However, the Indian inflation also inched up to 4.48% against 4.35% last month. The industrial production decelerated by 3.1% in September. The FIIs continued to pull out close to 4,000 crores so far during the month. The Indian 10-year benchmark YTM was up by 1 basis point during the week at 6.37%, while the 3-year interest rate swap points hardened by 6 basis points to 5.23. RBI has announced with much fanfare the retailing of gilts for ordinary investors. I was taken back to 29th of August 2008 when currency futures were launched in the Indian markets. Today, the USD INR pair futures clocks a volume of 20,000 crores. Similarly, with sustained education, this product could also see good acceptance among the retail investing. Meanwhile, the Reserve Bank has announced for the first time a global hackathon, Harbinger, focused on non-mobile digital payment products. Let us hope this will be a harbinger for innovative products like the way UPI has transformed the payments ecosystem in India and is being looked at as a model by the entire overseas community. Have an interesting weekend.